Wife of American rapper Kanye West, Kim Kardashian seeks compassion for Kanye's West bipolar disorder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, fans of Kanye West were very worried last week after a series of posts were made on his social media account. Now, Kim Kardashian, who is the wife of Kanye West, is asking the public to show compassion and empathy to her husband, who caused a stir online after a series of social media posts that went viral. Kim Kardashian further states that her husband is bipolar. So what really is bipolar disorder? Let me divulge some details of that to you. Bipolar disorder is a mental health condition that affects your mood, which can swing from one extreme to another. It used to be called or known as manic depression. People with bipolar disorder have a series of episodes including depression, feeling very low and lethargic, even feeling very high at times and overactive. Symptoms of bipolar disorder depends on the mood you are experiencing. Unlike simple mood swings, each extreme episode of bipolar disorder can last for several weeks or even longer. The reality TV star and beauty monger posted a lengthy message Wednesday on her Instagram live feed, explaining that life has been complicated for her family and her husband. Kanye West, who went on a rant on social media last week, discussed about abortion while he declared himself a presidential candidate for the upcoming US election. He has received a number of backlash for that. The reality TV star then made these posts on her Instagram profile just in order to update fans as to what's really going on with Kanye West. On Tuesday, in a series of deleted Twitter posts, West wrote that he had been considering on divorcing his wife. In another post, he called Kardashian matriarch Kris Jenner. On Monday, he claimed that his wife tried to lock him up. On Sunday, at a political rally, the 21st Grammy winner became tearful about talking about the death of his mother after completing a stage of plastic surgery back in 2007. Kanye West and Kim Kardashian got married back in 2014 and they have 4 children together. Kim Kardashian also took the time just to thank her fans and her friends for expressing their concern about Kanye West's well-being. We'll keep you up to date with this story on Links 007 TV.